Today we're going to talk about plants' life cycles. Every living thing begins, can reproduce, and dies. In many plants, this life cycle begins with a seed. Have you ever planted any seeds? Have you planted any since you've been home? A seed holds the beginning of a plant's first roots, stems, and leaves. A tiny plant waits inside each seed. So first we have a seed, just like our lima beans. A seed is ready to grow, and the root begins to grow. So you see that little tiny part in there. Then roots grow bigger and bigger. So here's our lima bean right now. It started germinating. You see the roots growing bigger and bigger. Okay. Now a stem begins to grow. Do you see the stem beginning to grow? Finally, it gets longer and longer and leaves start to sprout. Notice it's losing its seed coating. Seed coat. Some plants begin from a bulb. Bulbs grow roots, stems, and leaves too. An onion plant begins from a bulb. And I know I have some tulips in my yard that have grown from a bulb as well. Life unfolding. The tiny plant grows and roots make a strong base. They take in water and nutrients from the soil. So that's what it would look like underground as the roots are growing. The first shoot becomes a strong stem. The stem carries water and nutrients to the plants and holds up the leaves. The leaves grow from plant stems. Leaves use sunlight, air, and water to make food for the plant. Leaves are food factories for plants. Flowers. Some plants make flowers. Plants make seeds inside their flowers. Here are some marigold seeds. A marigold flower makes marigold seeds. You see where they're made? Right inside. When they're ready, some seeds fall to the ground, and animals or the wind will carry these seeds to new places. The wind blows dandelion seeds to a new place. How many of you have ever made a wish on one of those dandelion seeds? Next time, look and see if you can find that seed. At the end of the life cycle, plants die, their bodies decay, and new plants will grow in their place. Here's a life cycle of an oak tree. The acorn sprouts. The tree makes flowers and acorns, and after many years, the tree dies. Oops, I said that wrong. Let's start back. The acorn sprouts, then we go this way, and the young tree grows. The tree grows bigger, and then finally, the tree makes flowers and acorns, and after many years, the tree dies. So it's going around in a cycle, not backwards. Show what you know. How does each plant part help the plant grow? So think about the stem and the leaves and the seed. What role do flowers play in a plant's life cycle? And can you think of some plants that grow from bulbs? And here's another visual for our plant life cycle. So you can take a look at our poster. First starts as seeds. Then germination is when a seed gets proper light, water, and warmth, and its outer hard layer becomes smooth and it starts germinating. Then it turns into a seedling, and a young plant, mature plant, and then the seeds get dispersed to make new plants. And seeds can be dispersed away by wind, water, or animals. Hope you learned a lot about life cycles. Bye.